Are you looking for the best 360 cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best 360 cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Insta360 ONE X Action Camera. The Insta360 ONE X is a true definition of sophistication and indisputable quality. If you're looking for a 360-degree camera with a high resolution for crystal clear images, then you've hit your bet. The gadget has a leading image quality, thanks to the 5.7K resolution that makes your videos and images look sharp. The 18MP shot makes for beautiful photo quality. Make your video buttery smooth by turning on 50 frames per second mode. With Insta360 ONE X, you can control time and perspective. Highlight key moments with cinematic slow-mo, or choose to speed things up using a stabilized hyperlapse. The camera is designed with flow-state stabilization technology to ensure there is no gimbal. It renders traditional action cameras obsolete. Pair this camera with the invisible selfie stick to get a flying camera without noise. The camera is designed to be simple and deliver stunning, cinematic editing. It allows you to reframe the best parts of your shot and connect them with incredibly smooth camera movements. They merge the favorite clips, add music and effects. The app is an editing room in your pocket which is compatible with iOS and Android gadgets. Number 2. GoPro Max Waterproof 360 Camera. The GoPro Max is a potent device that will deliver an exciting shooting experience. It's endowed with stellar features to make it one of the best 360 cameras on the market. 3 cameras in one will maximize your creative freedom and help you explore more into your passion field. With Max, you can quickly shoot traditional hero-style photos and videos, or capture detailed and crisp 360 footage. Vlog exponentially with shotgun mic performance and a front-facing screen. The GoPro Max delivers unbreakable stabilization by using 1,800 captures as the ultimate buffer. You can, therefore, shoot videos and take crystal clear photos even on rugged terrain. In short, this is an all-ground camera. In hero mode, horizon leveling gives you a silky smooth cinematic look. Take stunning 270 degrees distortion-free photos without scanning the horizon. You can also take power pano selfies, vertical pictures, and action shots. The camera comes in 4 digital lenses where you can capture photos and videos in linear, narrow, wide, and max superview. The directional audio in hero mode helps you prioritize sound from either side of the device, regardless of the lens you're using. Number 3. Insta360 Geo Stabilized Camera. If you're looking for a reliable way to shoot 360-degree videos, then Insta360 Geo is the ultimate bet. The device is built for highlights, and it's ready to perform. The gadget shoots 30 seconds and 60-second clips at a single press of a button anywhere, anytime. It uses AI technology to help you find and edit your best shots. It has a runtime of 60 minutes for standard video. You can set the clip length at intervals of 15, 30, or 60 seconds. Insta360 Geo is described as the world's smallest stabilized camera. The camera uses flow-state stabilization to keep the footage as smooth as possible. No hassle or gear. Just buttery action that's always ready to share. And when it comes to speed, Insta360 Go always excites. Condense your next trip into stunning, extra-strength shots. The gadget shoots stabilized hyperlapses and recommends a playback speed for your image. No angle is out of reach. Ensure you find the perfect spot, set the shooting interval, and capture the flow of time. The Insta360 Go features a slow-mo mode to shoot 100 frames per second to slow down the highlights, which is quite impressive. Even doing house chores looks better in a slow-mo. The camera utilizes AI-powered flash cut to find the perfect shots and edit them together on beat. Number 4. Insta360 ONE Twin Camera. The Insta360 ONE is a robust and reliable camera that is designed with you in mind. The gadget features advanced Super 5.7K resolution for crystal clear photos and videos. Coupled with the famous flow state stabilization, the camera leverages the state-of-the-art H.265 encoding with an AI-driven image processing algorithm. This construction preserves details with the highest level of bit rate found in a 360 camera. Swap to the 4K wide camera module and take videos in 4K 60 fps resolution. With 360 degrees preview and playback, the camera app is a game-changer. It delivers a full editing room to enable you to edit videos directly from the camera without the need to download footage to your phone. The AI-powered editing tools allow you to edit footage on your Android or iOS smartphone seamlessly. Number 5. Ricoh Theta SC2 Blue 360-degree camera. Capturing your life moments has never been this easy and exciting. The Theta SC2 is engineered to enable you to capture your entire surroundings in spherical 360 degrees video and photos. Want to have a group photo? Well, you don't have to worry about fitting everyone in. No one will be left out of the image again. Not every day, you'll find a device that accentuates your style and fashion. Luckily, Theta SC2 is engineered with you in mind. It has a slim design that easily fits in your hand. A choice of 4 elegant colors helps you pick a shade that suits your style. The thin and lightweight body optimizes internal components using a folded optic system. As a result, this camera is portable and compact to fit in small compartments. You can, therefore, shoot videos and share them online from practically anywhere. The Theta SC2 features a night view mode that allows you to shoot stunning night scenes. You can also capture immersive portraits with the face detection function. This camera operates with low noise and a wider dynamic range. The camera can be linked to most of Android and iOS smartphones. It means you can share your 360-degree content with friends and family.